Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you a free pattern. On Wednesday my husband had a drastic 12-hour surgery, so I didn't have time to do a video this week. So I'm going to give you a free pattern for my llama, and the link is below in the description. It's about 14 to 16 inches tall. And it's freestanding. So I hope you enjoy this free pattern. I've worked it pretty quickly in 3 hours using some homespun thick and quick and worsted weight for the ears, face, and feet. So you'll find the link below to get this free pattern in my Ravelry store. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye for now.